Laguna Beach in California is one of the great destinations for those who love the combination of natural beauty and modern conveniences. With fine white sand and clear blue sea surrounded by large rocks, Laguna Beach is not only an ideal place to relax under the golden California sun, but also a great destination to participate in suburban activities. Laguna Beach is located in Orange County, Southern California, United States. Its geographical location is prominent on the Pacific coast, about 50 miles south of Los Angeles. Located between two major towns, Newport Beach to the north and Dana Point to the south, Laguna Beach is surrounded by the Santa Ana Mountains with a unique and attractive natural setting. It is also home to a diverse community with many different cultures and lifestyles. From long-term locals to international visitors, everyone contributes to the richness and inclusiveness of Laguna Beach. Reefs are an integral part of the marine environment, and they often provide habitat for a diverse range of marine animals and plants. At Laguna Beach in California, coral reefs play an important role in supporting biological richness and ecotourism. Protecting and maintaining the health of coral reefs is vital to protecting both the marine environment and the species that depend on it. The depiction of hot girls on the beach should be done respectfully and without discrimination based on appearance. We can focus on people's confidence, charm, and natural beauty. In addition to beauty beyond makeup, these girls often exude dynamism and self-confidence. California's Laguna Beach has a major impact on the state's tourism industry. With stunning natural beauty, diverse suburban activities, and a vibrant cultural community, Laguna Beach attracts millions of visitors each year, contributing to the growth of California's tourism industry. However, managing and protecting the marine environment is essential to sustaining tourism development in Laguna Beach and across the entire California coast. Preserving the purity of ocean water, protecting coral reefs, and limiting the impact of tourism on the environment are challenges that need to be met carefully to protect this precious natural landscape for future generations. Please join us on our journey to discover the beauty of the world through our wandering channel. Here, you'll witness captivating adventures from some of the world's most amazing locations. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos, and join us in exploring the hidden corners of the world.